Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn insertion sort. Okay. So here we can see definition of insertion sort. So insertion sort works just like a sorting and playing card in your hand. Okay. So idea, divide the list into two part. Okay. If you have list, then you need to divide it into a two part. Sorted part start with the first element. Okay. Unsorted part everything else. Okay, so pick one element from unsorted part, insert it into the correct position in the sorted part. Okay, repeat until all elements are sorted. Okay, so I am going to an example like we have a list 5, comma 3, comma 4, comma 7, comma 2, 8, comma 8, comma 6, comma 9, comma 1. Okay, so start with 5. 5 is already sorted. Okay, we assume first element already sorted. So pick 3, compare with 5. Okay, insert before it. Okay, so we need to compare it. 5 is greater than or less than. So 3 is less than. So we need to put 3 at first place and put 5 at the place of 3. I mean, we are going to swipe it. Okay, so here pick 3 and compare with 5 and insert before it. Okay, so here you can see pick 4 and pick 4, compare with 5 and 3. Compare with 5, I mean, compare here pick 4. 4 compare with the 5 and then 3. Insert between 3 and 4 and between 3 and 5. Okay. So we need to, I mean, we pick the 4 here and we need to compare it with 5. Okay. 5 is greater than 4. So we put 4 before the 5. And 3 is less than to 4. So we put the 4 before, after the 3. Here you can here we can pick 7, no shifting needed. Okay, because 3 because 5 is already less than to 7, so here this is already sorted 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7. Now we need to pick 2, compare with all and insert at the start. Okay, so we need to compare it with all 3, 4, 5 and 7. 2 is smaller than all of these elements, so we need to put it at start. Okay, so we need to do it repeat and we will get our sorted list. Now when to use insertion sort, the list is small, you need in place sorting, no extra memory if you have. So you are sorting a list that's nearly sorted, you are handle live incoming data and want to keep it sorted. We need to avoid it when the list is large and time efficiency matter. Okay, so here you can see this is the insertion sort. This is the input array. We need to pass as an argument for I in range of 1 to length of array. So here key equals to array of j and j equals to I plus 1, index of the last sorted element. This one. Current element equals to key equals to array I, current element to the insert. Okay, here now move element of the array that are greater than key to one position ahead. Okay, so here j is j greater than equals to 0 and array of j is greater than key, so array of j plus 1 equals to array of j, shifting element to the right position. Okay, so move j minus 1, I mean move left. Array of j plus 1 equals to key, insert the key in the correct position. Okay, here this is our array and this is, we are going to print it and insert it. Insertion, we are calling here our function and print sorted data. So here this is our sorted sorted data. I have already explained with the example, so here you can see the example. Here this is our list 5, comma 3, comma 4, comma 7, 2, comma 8, comma 6, comma 9. Okay, here in pass 1 I equals to 1 and key equals to 3. Okay, compare 3 with 5, shift 5 to the right. Okay, insert 3 at the position 0. Here you can see this is our new list. And pass 2, I equals to 2 and k equals to 4. Okay, and 4 compare with the 5, shift 5, and 4 compare with the 3, no shift. So insert 4 at the position 1. Here you can see. And pass 3, I equals to 3 and k equals to 7. K equals to 7, this one. So compare, compare 7 at the position 3. So 3, compare 7 with 5, no shift. Insert 3 at the position, sorry, insert 7 at the position 3. Okay, here. In pass 4, I equals to 4 and k equals to 2. Compare 2 with the 7, shift, compare 2 with the 5, shift, compare 2 with the 4, shift, compare 2 with the 3, shift. Insert 2 at position 0. Pass 5, I equals to 5 and k equals to 8. Compare 8 with the 7, no shift. Insert 8 at the position 5 here. Similarly, you can do for 6, 7, 8. Okay, so final sorted list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is the time and space complexity for best cases ON, average cases ON score, and worst cases ON score. Okay, so space complexity O1, no extra space needed in case of sorting. Okay, guys, bye bye. Take care. We will solve lead code problem in another video. Okay, bye bye. Take care.